Hello. Welcome back to Daily English Stories for Beginners. I am Lisa, and I am so excited to be here with you today.
And I am Mike. Hello, everyone. We are so happy that you are joining us for another cozy learning session.
Today is a very special episode, Mike. We are talking about something that makes life wonderful, making plans and invitations.
Oh, I love this topic. Making plans is how we make friends and have fun.
Exactly. But for many English learners, it can be a bit scary to ask someone, "Do you want to go out?"
I remember when I was learning my second language, I was so nervous to invite anyone anywhere. I was afraid of saying it wrong.
That is why we're here today. We want to show you that it is actually very simple and very fun.
We will learn how to ask people to do things using phrases like, would you like to, are you free, and do you want to?
We will also talk about how to say yes and how to politely say no if you are busy.
We have 4 stories today. We will go to a cat cafe, a picnic, a fancy dinner, and a quick coffee shop.
This episode is perfect for our A1, A2, and B1 learners. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word.
So, make yourself comfortable. Are you ready to start, Lisa?
I am more than ready, Mike. Let's jump into our first story. Mike, have you ever been to a cat cafe?
A cat cafe? No, I haven't, but I have seen them on the internet. You drink coffee and play with cats, right?
Exactly. It is so much fun. My friend Jenny invited me to one last week.
Oh, how did she invite you? Was she very formal?
Not really, but she used a very clear phrase. She said, "Lisa, would you like to go to the new cat cafe on Saturday?"
Would you like to? That is a classic. It's very polite, isn't it?
Yes, it is. "Would you like to" is great because you can use it with friends, but you can also use it with people you don't know very well.
I see. It sounds much nicer than just saying, go to the cafe with me.
Definitely. That would be a bit too direct. "Would you like to" gives the other person a choice.
So what did you say? Did you say yes immediately?
I did. I said, "I would love to. That sounds amazing."
I would love to. That's a great way to accept an invitation. It shows you are very happy about the plan.
Exactly. But then I realized I had to check my calendar.
Oh no, were you busy?
I wasn't sure, so I told her, "Let me check my schedule and I will tell you tonight."
That is a very useful sentence. Let me check my schedule. It gives you time to think.
Right. In the end, I was free, so we went on Saturday.
How was it? Were the cats friendly?
They were wonderful, but while we were there, Jenny wanted to invite another friend, Tom.
Did she use the same phrase for Tom?
No, she used a different one because she knows Tom very well. She sent him a text message.
What did the text say?
She wrote, "Hey Tom, do you want to join us at the cat cafe?"
Do you want to? That is more casual.
Yes. "Do you want to" is perfect for close friends. It is quick and easy.
Do you want to join us? I like that. It sounds very relaxed.
Tom replied, "I'd love to, but I'm busy until 3 p.m. Can I come later?"
Oh, so he was busy, but he still wanted to come.
Exactly. Jenny said, "Sure, we will be here until 5 p.m.
That is a great example of making plans. You have to talk about the time and the place.
Yes, you can't just say, "Let's meet," and not say when.
That would be a very short meeting. Hello and goodbye.
Very true. So, listeners, remember, "Would you like to" for a polite invite and "Do you want to" for your close friends.
That is a great start. Now, Lisa, I have a story about a surprise picnic.
A surprise picnic? I love surprises. Who was it for?
It was for my sister's birthday. I wanted to invite all our cousins to the park.
That sounds like a big plan. How did you start?
Well, the first thing I had to do was check if everyone was free. I didn't want to invite them if they were working.
That is very smart. What did you ask them?
I sent a group message and said, "Hi everyone, are you free next Sunday afternoon?"
Are you free? That is the perfect way to start a plan.
Exactly. Before you say the activity, you check the time.
Right, because if they are not free, the activity doesn't matter.
Exactly. My cousin Sarah replied, "I am free. Why are you asking?"
She was curious.
She was, so I told her, "I'm planning a surprise picnic for Maria. Would you like to come?"
There it is again. Would you like to come?
Yes. And then I added some details. I said, "We are meeting at Green Park at 1 p.m. Please bring some snacks."
Oh, please bring some snacks. That is an important part of the plan.
It is. When you make plans, you sometimes need to tell people what to bring.
Did everyone say yes?
Most people did, but my cousin David said, "I'm sorry, I can't make it. I have to work."
I can't make it. That is a very natural way to say, I can't come.
Yes, it is. It sounds a bit softer than just saying, "I am not coming."
I agree. I can't make it sounds like you really wanted to come, but you are just too busy.
Exactly. I told him, "That's okay, David. Maybe next time."
Maybe next time. That is the perfect way to respond to someone who says no.
It keeps the friendship strong. You aren't angry, you are just understanding.
You are a very kind cousin, Mike.
I try. The picnic was a huge success. Maria was so surprised. She walked into the park and we all shouted, "Happy birthday!"
That sounds wonderful. I wish I was there.
Next time, Lisa, I will definitely invite you.
I will hold you to that. Would you like to invite Lisa next time?
Yes, I would love to.
Now, Mike, our third story is a bit different. It's about a formal dinner.
Ooh, fancy. Did you wear a suit?
No, this was a story about my boss, Mr. Henderson. He wanted to invite a guest speaker to accompany dinner.
Oh, so this is professional English. This is very important for our B1 learners.
Exactly. In a professional situation, we don't usually say, "Do you want to come to dinner?"
No, that might sound a bit too casual for a boss.
Right. So Mr. Henderson wrote a very formal email.
What did he use instead of "would you like to"?
Well, he actually used, "We would be honored if you could join us for dinner."
Wow, we would be honored if you could join us for dinner. That is very high-level English.
It is. It shows a lot of respect. But for most of us, "we would like to invite you to" is enough.
We would like to invite you to. That is also very clear and professional.
Exactly. The guest speaker replied very politely too. He said, "Thank you for the invitation. I would be delighted to attend."
I would be delighted to attend. That is a fancy way of saying, "Yes, I'm coming."
It really is. Delighted means very, very happy.
And attend is a formal word for go to or be at.
Right, so they fixed the date and the time, but then something happened.
Oh no, don't tell me the dinner was canceled.
Not canceled, but they had to change the time. The speaker's flight was late.
Oh, so they had to reschedule.
Yes, reschedule is a great word for our listeners. It means to change the time of a plan.
So how did they do it?
Mr. Henderson sent another email. He said, "Would it be possible to meet at 8 p.m. instead of 7 p.m.?
Would it be possible to? That is a very polite way to ask for a change.
It is. It's not a command, it's a question.
And the speaker said, "Yes, that works for me."
That works for me. I love that phrase. It means that time is okay for me.
I use that phrase every day, Lisa. It is so useful.
Me too. If someone suggests a time and you are free, you can just say, "That works for me."
It's much better than just saying, okay. It sounds more natural.
I agree. So the formal dinner happened at 8 p.m. and everything was perfect.
I'm glad to hear that. Formal plans can be stressful, but using the right words makes it easier.
It really does. Now, Mike, do you have one last story for us? Something a bit more fast?
I do. This is about a spontaneous plan. No emails, no calendars, just fun.
Spontaneous. That means you didn't plan it for a long time, right?
Exactly. It was yesterday afternoon. I was walking down the street and I saw my friend Sarah.
Oh, the same Sarah from the picnic?
No, a different Sarah. I have many friends named Sarah.
I see. So what happened?
Well, we both looked very tired. It was a long Tuesday.
I know that feeling. Tuesday is often the hardest day of the week.
It is. So I looked at her and I just said, let's go for coffee.
That is the fastest way to make a plan.
It is. Let's is short for let us. It is for when you want to do something right now or very soon.
Let's go for coffee. Let's see a movie. Let's study English.
Exactly. It's a suggestion that includes both of us.
What did Sarah say?
She smiled and said, that is a great idea. I need some caffeine.
We all need caffeine on Tuesdays.
We went to a small shop nearby, but while we were sitting there, I had another idea.
Oh, another spontaneous plan?
Yes. I said, how about we go to the park after this? The weather is beautiful.
How about we? That is another great way to suggest a plan.
Yes, it's like, how about, but you add we and a verb. How about we go?
It's very friendly. It's like you are exploring options together.
Exactly. Sarah said, I'd love to, but I have to go home and cook dinner soon.
Oh, so she couldn't stay for the park.
Right, but I didn't give up. I said, well, are you free tomorrow for a walk instead?
You are very persistent, Mike.
I just like spending time with friends. Sarah checked her phone and said, tomorrow works. Let's meet at 5 p.m.
Success. You turned a no into a yes for a different time.
Exactly. That is the secret to making plans. If someone is busy now, ask about later.
That is such a good tip. Don't be sad if someone says, I'm busy. Just ask, when are you free?
Exactly. When are you free is a powerful question. It puts the ball in their court.
Puts the ball in their court. That means it is their turn to decide.
You got it. So Sarah and I are going for a walk today at 5 p.m.
Well, I hope you have a wonderful time, Mike. Just don't forget our podcast.
Never. I would never choose a walk over talking to our listeners.
Good answer, Mike.
This has been a great set of stories. I feel like we have covered everything from cats to gala dinners.
We really have. Making plans is all about communication and being flexible.
Flexible. That is a good word. It means you can change your mind or your time.
Yes, if you are flexible, you will have a much easier time making plans with busy people.
I agree 100%.
We have used so many great phrases today, Mike. Should we do our word tour?
Let's do it. This is my favorite part. Let's recap the key phrases for making plans and invitations.
The first one we learned was, would you like to?
This is the gold standard for invitations. It is polite and friendly. Would you like to go to a cafe?
And for close friends, we use, do you want to?
Do you want to join us? It's casual and direct, perfect for family and best friends.
Before we make a plan, we often need to check if someone is available.
And a great way to ask that is, are you free?
Are you free on Friday? If the answer is yes, then you can suggest an activity.
If you are the one being asked and you are happy about it, you can say, I would love to.
That is much better than just saying yes. It shows your emotion.
But what if you are busy? You can say, I'm sorry, I can't make it.
This is a very natural way to refuse an invitation without being rude.
And if you want to suggest a different time, you can ask, when are you free?
We also talked about spontaneous plans using let's.
Let's go. Let's eat. It's for immediate action.
For professional situations, we use I would like to invite you to.
And the response for that is often, I would be delighted to attend.
Don't forget the word schedule. It's your list of plans. Let me check my schedule.
And if you need to change a plan, the word is reschedule.
Would it be possible to reschedule for next week?
Finally, my favorite phrase for accepting a suggestion, that works for me.
Saturday at 5 p.m. That works for me. It's simple, natural, and very common.
Wow, that's a lot of tools for your English belt.
An English belt. I love that. You are ready for any social situation now.
Well, friends, we are at the end of our episode. We hope you feel more confident about making plans now.
But before you go, we have your homework question.
We want you to practice in the comments. This is your chance to use what you learned.
Here's the challenge. Imagine you want to invite a friend to see a new movie this weekend. What would you say?
Write your invitation in the comments. You can use would you like to, do you want to, or are you free?
We can't wait to see your plans. Maybe we can join you.
That would be a very big movie theater.
It really would. Thank you so much for listening today. Your support means the world to us.
If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Keep practicing your English. Every conversation is a chance to learn something new.
You are doing a great job. Stay positive and stay kind.
We will see you in the next episode.
Until then, make some plans, have some fun, and keep speaking English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.